or good afternoon to everyone that's watching this video. Today, I'm really excited. Why? Because I get to be sharing my introduction video with you. My name is Yuna Joniel Trinidad from grade 7 Anturium, and my nicknames are Yuns and Yunabels, depending on what people would like to call me. I'm 13 years old, turning 14 next year on December 5. My favorite activity is traveling because I love exploring new places. During my free time, I usually watch anime, and I'm currently watching My Hero Academia or MHA in short. Recently, I also built a new hobby, building Legos, which I have really been enjoying. If I had the opportunity to choose a superpower, I'd want the ability to read minds, so I could know what people think about me and what their true intentions are. My dream travel destination is London. I've been wanting to go there. And if my life were a movie, the title would be Finding the Light Within. Fun fact about me, I can remember every small details that others easily forget. My dream invention would be an auto-organizing notebook, so I wouldn't have to worry to waste time fixing my notes. My school goal is to maintain my with high honors award or reach with highest honors. My strengths and skills include leadership and singing, though I'm not that great of a singer. The most interesting subject for me is TLE and ICT, and one of my improvement goals is to increase my skills in math. My favorite shows are Fear Street and Haikyuu because I enjoy thriller movies, but I also love sports and a slice of life genres. My favorite actor is Alex Gonzaga because of her kind and funny personality. If I could choose my favorite food, it would be French fries. And if I could pick my favorite drink, it would be the Lychee Sakura in Bob and Joe. And that is all about me. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned more things about who I am.